Here, question number 3 of exercise 14.1. First question is here that factorize of what? Whose x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. So dear student, here there are 4 terms here. Okay, this expression is having 4 terms. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. In the question number 2, we have taken out common out of all these given terms. Something should be common. But here, in such type of question, we need to make a pair of these two. Okay, pair of first two terms and next two terms. From first two terms, you can see x is common in that. X is common, so let me take x common. So x square, from that one x will be left and here y will be left. From these two terms 8 will be common, so x plus y will be left. So in the next step, x plus y, so one time I am taking it out and x plus 8 it will be in another step. Let's try to understand the second. Gradually you will able to understand all the terms and it's a pattern how to factorize. Second, we are given 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Here also you can see it has 4 terms. Which 4 terms? 15xy minus 6x plus 5y and minus 2. So in that also we need to make a pair. Sometimes we need to arrange also, but here so far it is already arranged, so we can take out common. You know, from 15 and 6. Just take the SCF of 15 and 6. 5 3 ja 15, 2 3 ja 6. So both of in that 3 is common. Beside this, x is common. X I need to mention here. 5 3 ja 15. So here it is 5 and this will be y. Minus 3 2 ja 6. So here I need to mention 2. Out of this 2 term, 1 is common. So what will be left? 5y minus 2 will be left. So you can see 5y minus 2, 5y minus 2, one time common. And 3x plus 1, that is in another bracket. So these two are the factors of the given expression. Yeah. Now the third is on your screen, dear student. Ax plus bx minus ay minus by. So first we need to be a keen observer. If we make a pair of these two and these two terms, then all the way we can check out something common and both the brackets should be similar. Sometimes it may possible if the arrangement which we are given it's not okay. First we need to make a proper pair, arrange them and then take out common. Fine. But here it is already arranged, so we will work out. From first two term x present, so it is common. Here a will be left plus here in this term b will be left. Minus, because of this minus sign it's compulsory to mention minus here. Now let's take out y common. If I take y common, so here a will be left and because of this minus sign here it will become plus. Fine. So dear student, here a plus b common bracket and x minus y we need to mention it another bracket. Here, easy. Now we'll work out on the fourth. What we are given in the fourth question, let's see. 15 pq plus 15 only plus 9q and 25. So which four terms we are given here? 15PQ, 59Q and 25P. So dear student, here we need to arrange them. Here the terms which we are given, they are not arranged. Suppose you think, if you take out something common, 15 will be there. So inside the bracket, PQ plus 1 will be left. And if we take out something common from these two terms, you can see nothing will be common from 9 and 25, and neither any variable is common. So in such a case, we need to arrange. Okay, there are 2-3 types of arrangement we can apply. So let's choose one of them and try to bring the similar bracket. I am choosing 15PQ. Along with that, I am choosing this 9Q. Okay, here this type of arrangement I am preparing. And then 25P I am choosing, and the constant term at the end, that is 15. It is not necessary you should go with this arrangement. Some other arrangement can also possible. We can arrange properly so that we can have common and both the brackets should be similar. From 15 and 9, what is common? It means STF. 5 teacher, 15. 3 teacher, 9. So out of this 15 and 9, 3 is common. Beside this, Q is present in both of these terms. So let me write Q here. So 5 teacher, 15, 5, and this P will be left. Plus 3 teacher, 9. So 3 only left. Q is already outside. Now plus is here 25 and 50. What will be common in 25 and 15? The factors of 25 are 5 into 5. Factors of 15, 5 3 are 15. So both of these terms from their 5 is common. If 5 is common, then 5 5 are 25. 5 3 are 15. So here 5P plus 3, 5P plus 3 in one bracket. In another bracket, 3Q plus 5. Another bracket, we will have 3Q plus 5. So these two are the factors of this given equation. Clear? The fifth one is on your screen, dear student. Z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. Fine. Now, if we make a pair of these two, then nothing should be common except 1. So if we take 1, then inside the bracket Z minus 7 will be left. It means that 7 is in the second term, in the last term. So from this, if we take out xy common, then 7 is here coming in the first term. So we need to arrange them. So how to arrange? As I told you, there are 2-3 pattern of arranging. I am shifting this xyz here first, and this 7xy I am shifting to the last. This I am considering as a third term, and this as a fourth term. Dear student, you can see I didn't touch the sign because whatever the sign, it remains same. Don't change the sign. Okay. Now let's make a pair. From first two terms, nothing is common, so we know 1 is always common. So inside the bracket, Z minus 7 will be there. Minus, out of these two terms, xy is common. So what will be left? Here it will be Z. This is minus, so here I need to mention it is minus, and this is 7. So we will have Z minus 7 in one bracket. In another bracket, 1 minus 7. Okay? So these two are the factors, Z minus 7 and 1 minus. This is the complete solution of exercise 14.1 here. Now update. Be ready for exercise 14.2, which is very, very important for learning. Thank you. God bless you.